Daddy.
Yes?
I have to pee on your bed.
Pee on the bed?
Yeah.
I didn't pee on the bed. You did. Is that pool over there?
I think it's right.
Yeah?
I think so.
You think so?
Uh-huh.
Are you ready for Christmas?
Yeah.
Yes, of course, right?
I don't think so.
You ready to open up presents
Yeah.
and play with toys?
Yeah.
What up, HOB?
House of Blazers!
Blazing. So it is close to Christmas. How many days away are we?
So today we will be building gingerbread house. Yes, so we got this from our local Walmart, and this will be Suray's first time ever building a gingerbread house.
Yeah. You ready?
Ready. So there's like little instructions in the back or whatever, but you know, we're gonna make it our way and how we do. Ooh, what do we have here?
Gingerbread man.
Ooh.
We got some candy. We got some cookies. We got more. Oh, wow.
Some candy. So I guess we're supposed to knead this for like 60 seconds.
Supposed to what?
Knead it.
Knead it.
Kind of get it to activate.
One of your bowling big fingers with right triangle vehicle.
Right?
Yes.
Party, butter, cover it. Penny.
And candy.
Open it.
We open it. And we
See,
put it over.
People TV.
Right.
With children with put it.
Okay.
Sounds good.
And that's what's in your face. Almost done, okay?
So now it is time to prepare the house. We're gonna make the house, okay?
Time to make the house. Hey. You wanna watch Little Rascals? Do you know what Little Rascals is? You lying, you never watched
You don't know what's up with Little Rascal.
Little Rascals.
Because Dada was in the movie.
Hey, don't tell him that.
As what? As who?
I was not.
As Buckwheat.
I am not Buckwheat.
Ooh, Little Rascals looking ass boy. Ooh, Buckwheat looking ass boy.
Hold on, boy. Hold on.
So your Dada was Buckwheat for Little Rascal.
You know, it was
So cut the check.
I mean,
Cut the check, sis.
I still get little residuals. You know.
All right, so first step, we gotta put the house up. Okay. Oh, we put it like this.
Is that like
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we do this. Can you put my sleeves up? Thank you, Dada.
You're welcome.
So give me that. So you hold that, Dada. I think this is like my first time in a long time. I built a gingerbread house. Oops. Is this the roof?
Oh, there's a smaller piece.
The happy.
There's a smaller piece.
Bee.
Oh, Jesus. Are you supposed to use a smaller piece?
Yeah, it's supposed to be on the sides like that.
Oh, yeah, you're telling me now. After you.
After I messed up.
Francis,
Oh no.
Oh no. Hold this. We're gonna put it right next to Dada's hand. Good job. You holding it?
Is it all the way to the back, you guys?
Yes.
So we do it like that.
Not in the back.
Okay. Oh man, the house is the wrong way.
Oh, it's the ending.
Oh, okay. So it's supposed to be like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow, look at baby, it's starting to become a house.
Wow.
Wow. Is it cool? This is so stressful.
What happened? Oh my god, it's falling.
Guys, I am stressed. This is too much, okay?
The last time I did this, I was in the 3rd grade, and it was better than this. Yeah. We fucked up.
Alright, so this is what our trap house looks like.
Trap.
Because obviously it's not a ginger house.
From the south.
We are gonna try to recreate this house as best we can. So wish us luck. You ready? Okay, let's put this closer to you. Don't touch the house, okay? No touching.
Alright, Saray. Give me your hand.
Gosh, this icing sucks.
We're gonna put this one.
Go put this right here.
Right there, baby.
Oh.
There.
Good job! You did it so perfect! Put this right here, okay? Right there.
Oh, I should go back.
Good job, baby!
The trap house ain't looking trappy no more.
This thing has a hole in it. You know what? This is such a fail. But you know what? We'll make it the House of Blazing way, okay? House of Blazing trap house.
There you go.
Okay. Okay.
With the blue.
Okay.
Right here. Right there. Yeah. Or there. That's fine.
Look at this. It's like leaking. I want my money back. I want my whole $10 back. So this is what we got so far.
Saray, good job, baby.
Shout out to Saray for putting all the little flakes on there. I wanted to show my bootleg piping skills with the, you know, little snow falling. I think this part did pretty good.
Ooh,
You eat. Oh, look at you.
Yeah.
Hey, you're not supposed to eat the house. You can't eat the house. Ah! Hey.
Now it looks like the roof is coming down on us.
You know what I'm saying? What's the trap house? You know what I'm saying?
Get up on my trap house.
There you go.
Oh. Uh-oh. Our house is coming down. Our house is haunted. Oh my gosh, Saray. Look here. You're supposed to be a construction worker, not a... Oh!
Nice.
Uh-oh. Oh, no.
Oh no. It's really a trap house.
What happened to our house?
I know. It's okay.
It's okay, right?
It's okay.
But it fell down.
Oh, no, don't worry. The sun, I got that. But on the side.
But it fell down. What happened to our house?
Christmas trap house.
I know Christmas.
Yeah.
I did it.
Look, what happened? What happened?
I know I did it. I really did it.
Mama's sad.
Okay, wait. You
See, Saray gonna fix it.
What that?
Thank you. Mama is sad.
Good.
She's comforting Mama. She's comforting you.
This bucket.
It's broken.
Look. Hi. Okay. Take it.
I don't want it. No, thank you.
Huh?
That means you don't eat it. Put it down. Don't put it. Ah! No. Put it down, please.
Okay.
So, the house is a fail. It's not even a trap house.
I don't even know if this is edible. But I'm eating it anyway.
We decided just to eat the house separately. A la carte.
I got the roof.
Yeah, because this was a complete, we made a tent though. You know, a ginger tent. Right, baby? We're gonna try again maybe next year.
Maybe next year, yeah. Other than that, do not hire us to build any type of houses, any type of anything, because this was such a huge fail. I don't know what we did wrong. So put that.
Oh!
So put it in the comments below and let us know what we did wrong, because we tried to follow the instructions as best as possible.
No, we did not.
Yes, we did.
Oh no,
Yeah, so this was a huge fail and a huge mess at that. Dario, you will be cleaning this up. All right, cool.
Yeah, we had fun though.
We did have fun. All Saray wanted to do was eat everything, so.
There you go.
All right, guys, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and until next time.
Thank you for rocking with
Have a
Blazing.